Hi everyone. So in this video we will learn about type alias. Type alias is basically an alias for a type. So this is an example from the previous video. Here you can see we are making use of union type. So let's create a type alias for this. You have to make use of type keyword to create a type alias. Let's make it string or num. And just copy this and paste it here. So now we have this alias for this union type and we can use it here like this. It will work pretty much the same. Now when you will save it, you will get hello1 and you make it numbers, for example 2 and 1, you will get 3. Apart from having string, numbers and boolean in TypeScript, we also have two more types, null and undefined. Let's see an example of it. So let's create a custom type. So make it string, null and undefined. So on the right hand side we are having a union type and this is the type alias for it. Now let's create a function here. So it will be get name. We will take a parameter of custom type. We'll check for type of this name. So if name is equal to null, you want to print console log. This is null. Else if, let's put it here. Okay. So else if name is undefined, you want to print console log. This is undefined and there will be a default scenario for the string. So we'll simply print the name. Let's call this function. Let's call it with null. Save it. So we are getting this is null. Now you're thinking that I'm not making use of type of keyword here to check whether it's null or not. See, when you make use of type of keyword, instead of null, you will get object. Save it. And you can see we are getting object. So it will not work in this case, but in case of undefined, it will absolutely work fine. So you can easily put type of keyword here to check it, but make sure you put triple equal, which is strict equality check in case of null to get to this block. Now just put undefined here, save it, and you will get this is undefined. If I'll pass some name, for example marks, then it will go to this block and we'll get the name. See, so make sure when you're checking for the null, make use of this strict equality check. In case of undefined, you can make use of type of keyword, and string is as normal, there is nothing special in it. You can make use of type of keyword for the string also. I hope you got the point how they actually work. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.